Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and it has been a long run for Samsung with the One UI 7 rollout, especially for One UI, or sorry, One Galaxy S25 users. We were kind of in a little bit of a weird situation where One UI 7 launched with the phone, but we weren't really sure if we were on a beta build or what exactly we were on because some of the beta builds for like the S24s and the S23s were getting features and updates before the S25 had them. So like the now playing on the now bar and in the notification shade and stuff like that, and the status bar, that wasn't there on the Galaxy S25 series until the April update. But a couple months ago, or maybe a month or so ago, the Galaxy S24 got it in the beta build. So it was kind of weird on how Samsung did it. They were kind of behind on like the S25 build because they pushed it so early when it came out, and the other builds, of course, weren't ready yet. So we finally have that now here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and everything seems to finally be smooth. They fixed a lot of the kind of quirks that we had on rollout, like the charging animation was really bad, really stuttery and laggy. Not that that's like a huge, deal breaker. You only really see it when you plug your phone in. Doesn't really affect your day-to-day usage, but you buy a new phone that's so expensive, you really expect stuff, random little issues like that to not really happen, but that was the case. And if you guys like this skin that I have on here, it's just a matte orange skin. That is from Slick Wraps. I do have a link down in the description. You guys can save a little bit of money if you use that link. They've got a bunch of different stuff. I have a couple of these, but I just have the orange one on here right now. And it actually installed really, really nice. I'm usually really bad at putting these on, but this one went on perfectly and it's hanging in there. No issues, no peeling or anything like that. So really nice to see. I think it looks really nice on the back of the phone. But yeah, One UI 7 is finally rolling out to the rest of the devices. And like I said, we did get the April update last week, and it's been running smoothly here on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I'm finally glad to see that we did get those changes and fixes in the April update. We even got the we even got the Play Store system update is also updated to April. I know you guys can see that, but also updated to April. That was really behind for the longest time. We were stuck back in October for a while, and then it got updated to March. And then in April, we actually got the April update. So it seems like Samsung is finally figuring things out. Hopefully with One UI 8, we don't have any of these issues. We do expect that beta to start over the summer. So if you guys are running an S25 or S25 Ultra, make sure you check for an update because the April update should be out to pretty much everybody at this point. Even the carrier devices and stuff like that should be getting it if they haven't already. So Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.